Friends, can you see these potatoes? They are crispy and golden outside, but soft and tender inside. It's like a little golden treasure. Let's dive in and make this new simple recipe together. First, slice 5 potatoes. It's important to keep the pieces the same size. That way they'll cook evenly. All the potatoes are in the pot now. We are going to cover the potatoes with cold water. Don't forget, the water needs to cover the potatoes completely. Now we'll bring it to a boil. Let's wait for the potatoes to start cooking. A pinch of salt will add flavor. Do you add salt now or later? In about 20 minutes, the potatoes should be done. Drain the water and let's start mashing. What do you prefer, a masher or a mixer? Make sure to mash thoroughly so there are no lumps. Do you like adding herbs to your dishes? We'll chop some parsley finely. It's not only adds flavor but also makes the dish look beautiful. Now let's grate some cheese. The cheese will make the dish creamy. We'll add a little more salt to enhance the flavor. Give it a good mix so all the ingredients blend together. Look at how everything comes together so nicely. Now we add the starch. It'll make the dough thicker. 4 tablespoons and the dough will be ready to shape. Oh, I almost forgot the pepper. Let's add some now. Mix everything until we get a smooth dough. It should be soft. Kneading the dough by hand is the best part. Let's form a ball and place it on the flour so it doesn't stick. The dough should be thick enough. We are cutting the dough into squares. This will be our base. Try to keep the squares about the same size. Fry on one side until golden. 2-3 minutes and we'll get a crispy crust. While the dough is frying, let's start on the cheese sauce. Grab a small saucepan. The sauce is quick and easy to make. Here are the simple ingredients we need for the sauce. We'll start with butter. 10 grams of butter is just the right amount. Now let's add the milk. It'll make the sauce creamy. One spoon of garlic powder and the sauce will be super flavorful. Let's get back to frying. Time to flip. Look how beautifully golden it is. Back to sauce. Half a spoon of salt is enough since the cheese is already salty. Sugar balances out the salt in the sauce. Now for the cheese. It'll melt and thicken the sauce. 10 slices is the perfect amount for a rich flavor. We'll bring it to a boil and cook for just 1 minute, no more. Look at that texture, the sauce is perfect. Now let's get back to our golden squares. Let's place it on a paper towel to soak up any excessive oil. All done, crispy, flavorful potato squares make a perfect snack. Look at that golden color! Isn't it beautiful? The flavor is incredible, especially with the cheese sauce. It's simply finger-licking good. Thank you for cooking with me. Make sure to try it out and share your thoughts. See you in the next video. Bye bye!